Good morning again.
Good morning, or good evening, or afternoon, or whatever you want to call it. We're starting back out. We're on Hargrove Road and 82 McFarland. Going to show you a little bit of different area once we get to it. So that is, I think that's snow hitting part. I started to say vocal part. Snow hitting part right there, guys.
They used to be the yard of a man with a lot of money.
Yeah. And there's Bolera. Yeah, Bolero. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Well, we thought it was Bolarama, but it's Bolero.
It's not.
Whatever you want to call it.
We thought it was. Oh.
And you got your DCH straight ahead, and there's your University Mall, guys. Old mall here in Tuscaloosa. Got your Belk. What are you doing?
Letting this guy.
Oh, he needs over.
Yeah.
Well, I guess he did need it over,
He
didn't
had
he?
his signal on. Don't mind if you got a signal.
Yeah.
We're gonna get run over by a train.
And there's
You guys are gonna
Texas
be with us.
Roadhouse. Yep, we have a train going across the tracks. Long black train.
And we're getting run over by the locomotive.
And there's DCH, guys. Droop City Hospital. That's where I went when I had my heart attack. And University of Alabama. Told y'all guys we were taking y'all a different way today. And there's the front of the hospital, or the back, whichever. I don't know now. They change it up so much.
Entering the university, Capstone College of Nursing.
There's Capstone. Where legends are made. Roll Tide.
See the top of the stadium.
We were there for a while with Nick Saban, but oh, maybe we'll get there again. I don't know. Maybe.
Deaver's going to have to do a lot more thinking this year.
Yeah, he seems like a good coach, like he knows what he's doing, at least.
We hope.
We hope. Hope he'll do a good job on thinking. This is some of your
Frat houses.
houses.
Fraternity houses.
Fraternity houses. They're the campus. houses through here.
Yes, there are. Russell Hall right there ends the fraternity
And
houses.
here's Russell Hall, guys.
That's the end of the fraternity houses.
Right there.
Observatory right there across the street. Where they watch the stars. See it up on top of the building?
They watch the stars in there?
Yeah, it's got a telescope in there.
Oh, cool.
It opens up, the slides open.
Is that office here where your mom used to work?
Yep. There's the president's mansion coming up on the left. There's the quad. Denny chimes.
And there's the president's mansion.
It's coming.
Right there, ain't it?
Right there.
Yeah. Danny chimes.
Quad.
I don't think I got it.
Right here is where Mom used to work. Right here in front of the stadium.
Reese Popper.
Yep.
And there's the stadium. And there's Reese Popper.
Stadium, the north end zone. Walk of Champions.
Yeah. There's a big elephant. Big owl.
Look, the old booth is gone.
Yeah.
It's a parking lot now. That building was there for years. You see that Bama stuff?
Yeah.
They used to be the suit store and the supply store. My mother worked there for years.
Darn.
Before she went to university.
Wow. Through here you got a lot of eating places.
Still on campus.
Yeah.
Kids learning how to be adults.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Frank Thomas Avenue and Campus Drive. Got a Publix on campus.
Whataburger.
Whataburger. And there's a Waffle House down there
Buffalo
too on the
Fields.
left. Yeah, Buffalo Fields. Publix.
All your bars on the left,
Bars on the left.
all the way down through here.
And on the right, some of them.
Still in campus.
Still on University Boulevard.
And this is the old President's Mansion up here on the right. Coming up right there.
I think I got it.
Going into downtown Tuscaloosa now.
Over there you have a Moe's Original Barbecue. And on the next block after that one you have City Park or whatever you call it.
Yeah,
Where they set the bands up. Yeah. They have a band out there on Fridays. Most of the time. Riverside Mart. And here's another barbecue place. It's Jim and Nick's.
Best place to eat barbecue.
And right here you're coming down to Jack Warner Parkway. Right down there is the Tuscaloosa Farmers Market.
Yep. They call it the River Market.
Yeah, the River Market. People have their recitals and banquets and stuff in there also. You can rent the building. And you can come and to their wine thing too.
Yep. Wine tasting.
Wine tasting. But it's River Market, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. If anybody's interested,
There's
y'all can
AA.
look that up.
There's the A building.
Yeah, got the AA building out there too, guys. Right there. But if y'all are interested in the River Market or anything, then y'all can look it up and see when they have their different things. Right down here you have a Comfort Inn and Suites. Newly Motel. Just been built, what, last year?
Yep. All this has been rebuilt last year
All this is condos
for the university.
for the university.
Roundhouse.
Yep. And right down here you have the River District straight in front of us.
Amphitheater.
And also you
all
have Parker Hun Park on the right.
that. You want to see the world's longest wooden railroad trestle.
There's Parker Hun Park. There's River District. And
That's going to be the savings center before long.
over on the left used to be Tuscaloosa News. Gonna be the Savings Center. Then we'll have Mercedes-Benz Amphitheater. Have some good concerts there. Come early.
Here's the old wooden train trestle. Longest one in the world. They just revitalized this section of town on the left for college students. Built condos and stuff. This is the old section of town. Everywhere.
Yep. Used to have a Sonic on the left down there, but they closed it up.
He just ran the red light. For the damn lane. Truck beat him. Crazy drivers around here, people.
There's the police station.
Again.
And the Dollar Tree.
Again.
Thank you guys for watching Nani and Poppy's Great Adventure. Till next time.
See you again.
Hi, I'm Nani.
And I'm Poppy. And welcome to our great adventure.
Thank y'all for joining. Thank y'all for watching. And we're going to see about heading out of here now. Y'all have a great evening.